Hi guys, today I will test the new car of my body DumboRC Vision. So this is an awesome R3 R3-CR, a project RC touring car. So in this video I'm gonna see if it's a good car for the backs. First we get a beautiful body. So we get the Citroën DS3 WRC Body. So I think it's pretty good for this car. He give a niche beautiful look. Next, let's have a look of what's inside. Inside we get a point car conception with a carbon fiber chassis and bird drive. Good conception. Surpass Herbie Muro, Rocket RC ESC, he is capable of 4S LiPo, a Ghz 8 kg Servo, DumboRC installed DumboRC X6 radio. For the price, it's a really good radio. You get a very good range and you can bind an unlimited number of RC cars. The test will be made in freestyle LiPo. Radio on, car on. The steering is not that bad. I think it's enough for the car. First, the car has a good acceleration and she was pretty smooth due to censored Surpass mode. Yeah, front tires really help for handling on the track. DumboRC is pretty comfortable for driving. I think it's a good radio for if I accelerate too much, I lose the control, so I put the throttle on cruise control. Really impressed with this car and the quality for the price. I think Anson RC can make a very good car for us. I think like Ghz Radio or XRC. So in my opinion, that's pretty a good deal. So if you like the video, subscribe and comment down below if you want more video. Also check out DumboRC Vision channel if you want to see FPV racing.